there's a rule called the empirical rule that can only be used when you know you have normal distribution. And it says approximately 68% of your data fall within 1 standard deviation, 95% 2, 99.73 standard deviations. So what that means, if you have a normal distribution, oops, doesn't look very good, but just pretend. Normal distribution says you've got 50% over here and 50% over here, okay? And so with the empirical rule, if this is your mean, and if this is your mean plus 1 standard deviation, and down here would be your mean minus 1 standard deviation, they're saying that 68% of your data are here. Well, half of 68 is 34. So 34% here and 34% down here. So let's apply that to our problem. So we got 450 employees, and they work a total of 13. We got 450 employees working 13,500 hours. Now, if you take 13,500 and divide by 450, then that gives you 30. So your mean number of hours is 30. So the mean is 30. And my standard deviation is 7. They tell me that. Standard deviation is 7. So this would be, we know that this would be 0.34 because you have a normal distribution, and 34% to the right of the mean, 34% to the left. So if this is 34 and we know this is 0.5, that's 0.84. So sum these together is 0.84, and the whole thing's 100%. So 1 minus 0.84 is what? That would be 16, right? 0.16. And we're trying to figure out how many employees work more than 37 hours. Well, this is 37 because the standard deviation, 1 standard deviation was 7 hours. So more than 37 hours would be greater than, that would be this piece here. And this was 84%. This is 16% underneath the curve. So then what you would do is do 0.16 of however many employees you have, which is 450. And if you multiply that out, you get 72. So there's your answer.